Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to dispute a Wells Fargo transaction, there is an avenue to go about having it done. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. It's actually relatively quick and easy. It's a very simple process, so stick close and let's get into it. So to dispute a Wells Fargo transaction, the first thing we need to do is go over to the website, wellsfargo.com, and we are going to scroll all the way down here. You will see there are some options. If you go all the way down, there's a how can we help? And the very last option is a quick help. Now, if you open this, you can go to the customer service and frequently asked questions section. This will give you some general information. Okay, so you can go through, there's a bunch of different things that you can go into here, but if you want to go and actually speak to somebody, you can, first of all, you can go and find out where the nearest branch is, and you can do this in person. The second option is to schedule an online appointment, which will allow you to have a one-on-one virtual meeting with the person that you will have to file this dispute with. And then the very third option is the call us option. Now this is where I'm going to go into, and from here you're going to go over at the bottom section, you're going to go to debit and credit. You're going to open that up here and you'll see that there are a list of different contact numbers. These numbers are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, some of them at least. And the account manager, this is the number that you will be looking for. Okay, so if you are wanting to dispute a transaction on your credit card, this is the number that you are going to look for. So once you are connected with the account manager, you'll be able to discuss the dispute, and that person will be able to handle your query. I hope this was helpful.